Hi guys, welcome to another smart shopping video. The second step to creating your dream wardrobe is to actually list and sell the things that you don't want and that you don't need. So today's video is going to be about how to successfully sell your clothes online. Let's begin. Tip number 1, research to price accordingly. The first step to sell your clothes online is to do a quick research on the item you're about to sell to price it accordingly. What you will need to know is retail price. Did it go on sale or is it a permanent item? Is it on demand? Are there too many just like it or is it a rare piece? What collection is it from? What is the listing price? And more important, what is the actual selling price? This will give you a pretty good idea of what you can expect to earn with your garment. All you have to do is search for the same item in a second-hand online website or several. That's up to you. Look for items with a similar condition. Once you have come up with a price, the next step will be preparing your item for selling. Remember, you can come up with a high price or try lowering it if it doesn't sell or be open to negotiations. The price of an item is what people are willing to pay for it, not what you feel it may have because of what it cost you. Tip number 2, clean and iron your item. It is extremely important to present your item as perfect as possible, just how you would want an item to be when you purchase it. Also, because you want photos to show your item as close to new as possible. This will increase your chances of selling it, so prepare it with love. I always send clothes to the dry cleaners first, and I do this before taking pictures. Unless it is new, then I just iron it, but I do want to make sure it looks nice and attracts possible buyers. Tip number 3, shoot the best pictures possible. We are not professional photographers, but it doesn't take one to shoot a nice picture. Find a neutral background, preferably white, and feature the product on its own, cleaned and ironed if it's clothes, and with its box and dust bag if we are talking about accessories. Shoot lots of different angles, the more the better. A very important thing is to include pictures of how the item looks worn. What I like to do for this is Google my item and I use the professional pictures from any online store. These are the best pictures because they are professional pictures that feature different angles on an actual model. This will avoid you taking pictures of yourself wearing the item and save you some time. But remember, these pictures are meant to complement the actual product picture of how it is now at home. You can't only include pictures of the item from a store as people want to see its actual condition. Another good idea is to search in your archives a picture of you wearing the item and add those. Tip number 4, description. Describe your item as completely as possible, focusing not only on the condition, color, and size, but also add useful information that is not so evident. How is the sizing? Does it run small? Does the color change with natural light? What is the composition? Can you machine wash? Does it come with the authentication card and box? What was the year of purchase? Are you the first owner? This is especially important for luxury handbags. Remember, people want to get a clear picture of what they are buying, as you would in their position. Include any defects and alterations. Add as many adjectives as possible and make your description as complete as you can, but also exciting to read. Include the model name, collection, and this applies especially for clothes. Please include measurements. Total length and shoulders are the most essential ones, and it will save you to have to answer questions later on. Tip number 5, interact with your possible buyers. Be available to answer questions as quickly as possible and be open to negotiate fast. This is the last step before actually selling your item, and the more available you are, the faster you will close the sale. Turn notifications on so you become alerted of all the questions and offers you get. Tip number 6, packaging. Once your item sells, if this goes directly to the buyer, prepare a nice box with nice paper and cover it nicely. You will get better feedback and the buyer will be more excited with their purchase. If you're sending the item to the online store itself, I would still include a nice packaging. It betters your chances to get your item accepted and delivered faster because it just gives an overall better feel. A great sustainable way of doing this is reusing all the boxes from your online purchases so you don't have to purchase any new. Also, a great idea because this includes beautiful covering paper that gives better protection and an aesthetic feel. Tip number 7, ship as fast as possible. When you buy something, you want to receive it as quickly as possible, so be fast and ship your item as soon as you can. This will also help you to gain better feedback and give an overall better shopping experience.
Well guys, I hope that you have found helpful and useful my video on tips and tricks to successfully sell your clothes online. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content. And if you have any doubts, any questions, don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.